Good morning to one and all present here. This is Shivam Pandey presenting his project, that is hospital management system along with the analytics. So for the first I'll show you that this is my project which is called hospital management system, which includes some of the modules for hospital which will replace the manual works. That is, I'll show you, that is adding appointment, which will be converted into the digital process with the help of this software. Then we have adding doctors, from where we can add doctor. We have adding the details of patients. We can add patients as well as see the reports of the patients here. We do have scheduling appointments here, so we can add as well as see the report of the appointment here. Then we have schedule. We can add the schedule of the doctor from this. The next we have departments, as like we have heart, neuro, gastro. So we can add departments as well as see the report from here. Now coming on to the HR part, means the part which will be looked over by the hospital financially, like they pay for employees or something. So for the first one, employee list, here we can go and we can see the report of the present employees. We can add employees from this, and we can also search from the list. Then we have leaves. Here we can add the leaves, the employees who have applied for the leave, and what and for how many days and what is the reason it can be applied through this module. Next one comes is holidays. Here we can add the holidays which are to be given to the employees. Like, now coming on to invoices, giving the option to create invoice for the patients who are already. Now we can click on create new invoice, and we can create the invoice for the patients and click on save. Now coming to expenses, here we can keep a record of the expenses, and we can also see the reports. We can filter, search it. It is the report, along with we can click on add expense for any new expense. So there are many types of taxes which are being used. Sometimes it depends on the state or maybe locally. So this is, so I have taken SGST and CGST wants to add some reports about the about some other employee. They can click on add provident fund, and they can enter the details and click on save. We have employee salary, so we can also click on add salary, the pay slip. Here where we click generate slip, you can see the pay slip has been generated. Take print out in CSV, PDF, print, and give it to the employee. Now the main part which I have included is the analytics. Many of the organizations use various tools for data analytics. So this software will be an all-in-one software which will contain the analytics system too, that how many patients are there in hospital, how many patients are getting their appointment scheduled, how many doctors are there, what will be their timing, diseases which are coming up, means means the new patients are coming up for how which disease, and which medicines are there, means which medicines are being used or prescribed by the doctors most, they are in the stock or they are getting out of stock. So all the information, and what is their age group, so everything will be available in this dashboard. So the organization would not need any specific or any other application software to get the analytics for the management of hospital, whether it's for will be collected through these forms which I presented up to you, that is doctors, patients, appointments. This will be the input system as well as the dashboard which contains the analytics, will contain all the analytics analysis of the data and present it to us or the organization or the administrator in the form of graphs, so that one can understand it even without technical knowledge, and they can take the decision, or it can be helpful to the management for taking decisions. Thank you.